How to cheat Honorlock online proctoring 2025 Honorlock cheating tips and tricks. Hey, welcome to Proctor Hacks. Today in this video, we are going to discuss how is it possible to cheat Honorlock online proctoring 2025 and what are the best tips and tricks to cheat on Honorlock. In this video, we will try to find the answer of following questions regarding Honorlock cheating, and I will tell you the best way to bypass Honorlock proctoring. Before moving forward, if you have any proctored exam and you need expert assistance, you can get help by filling the form link given in the description. In this video, we will try to find the answers of following questions. Is it possible to cheat on Honorlock in 2025? Can Honorlock split screen? Is there any way to crack Honorlock? Can Honorlock be bypassed? What is the best way to cheat Honorlock without getting caught? What is Honorlock? Honorlock is AI remote proctoring system that is used by many universities and colleges around the world. Honorlock has many functions to keep an eye on test taker during the exam. Its functionalities include real-time camera recording, facial recognition, and eye tracking. Honorlock shares the screen to record the activity during the exam, and with screen sharing, test taker cannot open any other tab to search for answers. Honorlock can record the background voice, and if there is any noise in the background, it can flag the exam. Once the exam is completed, the instructor can see the video recording of screen sharing to check for any violation. Can Honorlock split screen? Is it possible to cheat on Honorlock? Under normal circumstances, Honorlock does not allow split screen or screen mirroring because of its cutting-edge technology to detect such activities. But Honorlock can be bypassed by technical expert method where a custom software is installed in test taker device to bypass the Honorlock. As being the custom software, it cannot be detected by Honorlock. If you are interested in expert services, you can fill the help request form given in the description. Popular cracking methods to cheat on Honorlock. Method 1. Virtual machine cracking. Some try using virtual machines like VMware to avoid Honorlock detection. But Honorlock can spot virtual environments by checking virtual network cards, graphics, and other hardware fingerprints. Even if you start the exam, a second scan usually reveals the virtual machine. This makes the risk high, and it's not recommended to try without expertise. Method 2. Modify environmental parameters. Very high risk. This involves changing hardware serial numbers, IP regions, and blocking system API responses. It requires advanced technical skills. One mistake can trigger an immediate red flag. Success is rare, and consequences are severe. Not recommended unless you're an expert. Method 3. Best method to cheat. Honorlock proctoring. ExamRabbit uses the safest, most natural method. It runs in a full system environment with no virtual traces, mimicking real mouse movement and typing behavior to avoid AI detection. If you're worried about failing Honorlock, contact ExamRabbit for expert help. Email examrabbithelp@gmail.com or fill out the form in the description to get your exclusive Honorlock bypass solution and pass with confidence. Thanks.